Are you looking for a delicious soup on those cold winter days? This one is easy to make. Alright guys, let's get started. We're going to take some potatoes and dice them up. And then in a Dutch oven, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil and begin to heat those up. Then we're going to take carrots, onion, and celery that we have diced up and put in the pan to saute. And we're going to let these cook for about 5 minutes until they get nice and tender. We're going to add a little salt and pepper, a teaspoon or so, and the smell is going to begin to just be so wonderful. I love when these 3 vegetables cook together. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.